So I have a quick test for you. Call me when you're free or call me whenever you're free. What do you think which sentence is correct? If you're not 100% sure, then continue watching this video. Hi there, I am Anisha from EngVarta and today I'm here to clear this confusion in a very effective yet fun way. Today in this topic, I will cover what versus whatever, which versus whichever, when versus whenever, how versus however, and who versus whoever. But before starting, I have a pro tip for you. Just understanding these words is not going to be enough. You have to start using them in your daily sentences, and for that, you need practice. And for practice, I have EngVarta for you. At EngVarta, you can practice with live English experts on a daily basis. With these experts, you get a one-on-one conversation where they help you with your confidence and overall fluency. So, download the app today. Now, let's start with what versus whatever. Okay, question. What do you think is the meaning of what? See, what basically means kya. Whenever you want to ask a question, you use the word what. For example, if you want to ask for an information or for a direction or an opinion, you just use the word what. Whenever there is a question, you use the word what because you are expecting an answer there. For example, what is your name? What do you want to eat? Now, in these questions, you are expecting an answer. Hence, we use what. But when we talk about whatever, it has nothing to do with a question or an expectation of an answer, of receiving an answer. Whatever is used to indicate anything or everything means jo bhi ya kuch bhi. For example, you can eat whatever you want, do whatever makes you happy, whatever, I don't care. So the key difference here is what is used when you're asking for a specific question and expecting an answer. Whatever is used for anything random. Moving on to when. Now we talk about when in terms of time, like when something will happen. For example, when is your birthday? Or when did you come home? But when we talk about whenever, it is also in terms of time, but there is no compulsion to a specific time. It basically means anytime. For example, call me whenever you are free, or you can come whenever you want. So the key difference here is when is used for a specific fixed time, while whenever is a little flexible. It basically means anytime. Next up is which versus whichever. Now, what do you think which bottle should I get? This pink one or this blue one? Do let me know in the comments below. This is what which means. Which basically means when you have to choose between two options, then you use the word which. For example, which dress do you like? Or which movie do you want to watch? But when we talk about whichever, it basically means anything or everything. There is no option attached to it. It means tumhari marzi. For example, take whichever dress you want or you can watch whichever movie you like. So the key difference here is which is used for a specific selection and whichever is quite open-ended and flexible. Moving on to who versus whoever. Now, can you tell me who is this person in this picture? Let me know in the comments below. So this is what who does. Who is used to ask for a specific person when you're pointing at a specific person. For example, who is your best friend? Or who told you about this? But when we talk about whoever, it has nothing to do with a specific person. It means anybody. For example, whoever finishes his dinner first will get a treat. Or you can invite whoever you like. So the key difference is who is used for a specific person and whoever is used for anybody. Last but not the least, how versus however. But wait, how is that possible that you have come this long in the video and still not subscribed to our channel? Do it right now. Now, how is this simple? How is used to ask about something, the manner of something or how something is done. For example, how do you cook pasta? Or how did you solve this problem? But here comes the twist. Now the word however has two meanings. Number one, anyway, jaise bhi. and the other meaning is but or lekin. For example, you can dress however you like, or I wanted to go out, however, it started raining. So, the key difference here is how is used to ask about something and however is used to show flexibility or a contradiction. And that was all for these confusing words. I hope your doubts were clear. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comments below. Also, tell me that which word did you find the most confusing. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe button for more such amazing content. I will see you super soon with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care and happy learning.